Anton, someone in table 3 wants to meet the owner and the chef.
Sino ba yan?
I don't know.
Ikaw na.
She's asking for you.
O, ikaw na bahala dito.
Yes, chef.
Ikaw pala yan. You didn't tell me you were coming.
It's okay. I just wanted to try your food.
And?
It's very good.
Thank you. Would you like some dessert?
I was thinking more of you for a takeout.
Rafi! Oh, you're back!
Nasira mo yung surprise ko.
Ate, you're back!
Si Manang, Sige, Manang, paket ng gamit ko.
Ate, how are you?
I'm good. Where's Mom?
Andun siya.
Rafi!
Mom.
You're back! Sana nagpasabi ka para nasundo ka.
Kasi nga, I wanted to surprise you. Where's Dad?
Kumusta ang bakasyon?
It was good. It was really good. Being away actually helped me mas nakapag-isip ako, and there wasn't any pressure. It was good.
Good. Ang importante, nandito ka na. Kahit na ano pa ang naging desisyon mo.
Ate.
I missed you, baby.
Ate, I missed you too.
So, have you heard from Anton?
Ayun, nagte-text siya sa akin lagi. Naikibalita. Wala naman kaming masabi.
I will face him soon. Gusto ko lang talaga pag ready na ako.
Hey.
I like watching you sleep. Anton,
Yeah?
do you still feel we're just a casual hookup?
Sam, I don't want to put labels, okay? It's just gonna complicate things.
I just want to make you feel good.
Sam, I thought we had an understanding, right? This seems to work for us. Let's keep it simple.
Thank you.
One moment.
Hi.
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Tita.
Hi!
Hello. I actually haven't told anyone that I'm back yet. Please say hi to Sam for me.
Sige, I'll tell her. Let's go.
Nice to see you.
Hi, Ellen.
Hi.
Thank you.
Madam, ang ganda pa pala ng anak ninyo.
Thank you.
Yan yung babaeng cancel your own wedding. Sayang nga bumili pa yung anak ko ng gown. Napasayang.
Really?
Oo.
So, kilala niya pala si Ma'am Ellen.
Well, actually, yung anak niya, ini-sponsor yung anak ko sa sorority. But actually, I really don't know that.
Magkaibigan po pala kayo?
Magkasama lang sa affair.
OMG, sinong may ka-affair?
School affair. Ayusin mo yung trabaho mo. Let's go.
Shopping again.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hey, I saw yung runaway bride, you know. Yung sorority sister mo. Hindi pa ba kayo nag-uusap?
Si Rafi?
Yaya, Juice? Oo.
Sigurado ka?
Nakusus, nagbeso-beso pa nga sa akin, ano?
Hello, Paula. Rafi's back.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Hey.
I've been sitting out here thinking of what to say to you. And understand if you don't want to talk to me ever again. But I have to tell you that I'm so sorry.
Rafi, you hurt me. You hurt me big time.
I don't know what else to say. But I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's it? That's all you're gonna say to me? I'm sorry? I don't get an explanation. I don't get anything from you?
No,
That's
no,
it,
no,
huh?
no, no.
That's it?
It was just so overwhelming, and everything just happened so fast, and I got so scared. Please don't get me wrong. When I said yes to marrying you, I did because I love you, and I still do. I do, but it's a lifelong commitment. And just wanted to know and make sure that we're both ready for that, because I just don't want to get married. I want to be married. I want to stay married because we both want to. I want us to last.
I want that too, and all you should have done was tell me. Tell me that you're not ready. Tell me that you needed time, because I would have waited for you. I would have understood you. You should have told me. You should have just told me. Because I love you so much.
Do you still want me back?
Rafi, I've been waiting and imagining. What I'd say to you kung babalik ka sa akin. Gusto ko magalit sa'yo. Gusto ko magalit pero di ko magawa. Because I love you. I love you and I want you back so bad. I want you back so bad.